Hi, everybody, it's Adam. And Petri.
And Lee.
We are here today to talk about trust. Wait. What kind of trust are we talking about here? Trust is like a belief that you're going to do the right thing. Okay. Lee, do you want to help out if we give an example of what trust could be? Mm-hmm. All right, Petri, can you do me a favor? Mm-hmm. I need you to pretend to be sick. Sick? What do you mean, like the COVID? Like the Rona? Like actually, that would be perfect if you would do that and pretend to be sick. All right, if I got the Rona, I'm like, hey, Petri, I don't think you should be coughing like that in school. That would not build much trust with me. Oh, that belief that I'd do something unexpected kind of came out? Did that feel unexpected to you?
It did feel very unexpected.
How did it make you feel?
It made me feel unsafe and worried.
Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Can you forgive me, please? Forgive the bird for being weird.
I can forgive you.
Thank you so much. Okay, when you make a mistake, you can just say, oops, I blew it. I'm sorry. And make it right. Don't do any more Rona coughs on people, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Guess what? I think we learned a little bit about trust. Thank you so much for listening. Thanks so much for being here, Lee.
Yes.
And don't cough all over people. All right, we have enough of you. I think we're done coughing on everybody. Have a good day.